My country people, anybody wey be say no dey understand pidgin language for this channel, now una una dey o, una need to learn how to speak pidgin language or understand. But make I first of all greet all my lovely people for the house. Welcome back to take prepare this my vegetable rice. This rice sweet walai. Make I dey give una the ingredients. I use fresh chicken, I use cow liver, I can use chicken gizzard. Then from there I can get my green beans or na green peel that they call her. I don't know for Obodo Igbo language. I can use my own mushroom, and the mushroom when I buy for supermarket now I put join am. Then I can add that is a belly pepper or fresh pepper, anyhow when I take call am, e not concern me. I can put that is carrot inside. Now vegetable rice now I want prepare, so I can still get another green beans again with wetin they call am soya. As I put all of them, as I don't show now this ingredient finish, I hope say una ready to eat this food, because this one na the first time gidigba when me take dey use mushroom take dey cook vegetable rice. Then before I call the dance, I dance small for inside the video with my pot for head make una no just worry. Then from there I can wash my chicken, wash everything, wash them wella. Before I can put the for inside pot, can they add all my ingredients, that is paprika, thyme. I buy fresh thyme, and I can still buy fresh what they call a bay leaf. When I put for inside, I can put my nutmeg, I can put my curry, I can put all my mede and my maggi season and salt. When I taste this meat, God, when you try this kind of food, you no go ever leave your wife again, brother. Your wife go be your first priority for her. See, this food is sweet die. Could you believe that this food me with my husband eat am for 3 days when I take cook this amazing and yummy food for my husband? Oga come dey speak different language here. Oga come dey speak the language wey me myself no even understand. Him come dey even dey speak in tongues, dey join am. Chai, as I cook this food finish, everything come out perfect. And this is my first time when me take dey use mushroom take dey cook fried rice. Make una try am for house. I just say make I leave this short voice record for una, make una take understand everything wey be say I dey do for this channel. My country people, una do well for my body, both who dey like, both who dey comment, both who dey share. I love una gidigba. I go see una for my next video. Make una watch this video with peace and love. One love, guys. My country people, anybody wey be say no dey understand pidgin language for this channel, now una dey o, una need to learn